take a walk to the park. There was something on the lake that made my heart beat fast. I saw the swan swim past, followed by its bay. Then I turned to count how many swam along behind, and didn't see where the footpath curved. Though the drop seemed small, my ankle twisted and went pop. I sank down to the ground, let out a scream. Feels like bone to me. Feels like bone to me. Can I limp all the way back where we've come from? It feels like bone to me. Feels like bone to me. Can I get all the way back where I belong? I need the hospital. Please get me to emergency. Ottawa ankle rules would say I need an X-ray, but I am alright. The triage nurse